How to install APK files on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Chrome app. After click on Chrome app, click on keyboard and search APK and click on file. If you want to install APK file, so click on download. After click on install, after finishing installing, go back to home screen, go to app library, click on Samsung folder and click on my files. After click on my files, click on downloads and you will see APK file is here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.